This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info. Make the most of your money on the Forex market. When people hear the Forex trading, they think it is too difficult for them to understand. This is not always true. As long as you are willing to learn new information, you have a chance at being successful at Forex. The following article is going to provide you with crucial information. Analyze and carefully study your personal financial goals prior to engaging in Forex trading. Making certain your risk tolerance and capital allocation are neither excessive nor lacking will save you from taking the bigger financial risk than you can afford should you lose your investment. Forex is all about the changing of money value. Therefore, it is important that you study the markets and the fundamentals that cause price change between currencies. If you do not understand why the values are changing, how can you ever hope to make an informed decision on what currency to invest in? When starting out in Forex, it's best to stay close to home. The easiest culture to understand, and therefore the easiest currency to trade in, is Canadian. Since the Canadian dollar moves in similar trends to the American dollar but with fewer extremes, it makes a good low-risk investment currency. Using a betting firm to trade on the Forex market is becoming increasingly popular with traders. However, before you jump on the bandwagon, you should be aware that this method has its shortcomings. Primarily, if you consistently win money from your chosen bookmaker, the company will begin to decrease the amount you can bet and may even close your account. A safer bet is to stick with a Forex broker or a spread betting firm, especially if you depend on your market earnings for a living. Before you carry out any trade, it is important to remember to figure out the risk/reward ratio. Try to estimate the amount that you will gain, and the amount that you could lose. By looking at the risk/reward ratio, it will give you a much clearer picture regarding what trade is the best for you. When you are trying to maximize your profit on your Forex, make sure you are looking at bigger windows of time than the ones you have chosen to work with. Trends can be invisible in a very short window of time. Something trending upward can't just be ticking up a notch in a larger slide downward. Confidence and patience are two major keys to currency trading success. A trader must have total confidence that they will succeed in the long term and have a belief in the decisions that they make. It is not necessary for traders to be in the market constantly to make money. Pick one of the big markets when you start trading with Forex. New York, London, Tokyo, Singapore and Germany are all big players in the foreign exchange market. Try to avoid really small markets. The smallest you should deal with is a market like Hong Kong, holding roughly 4% of the market. In conclusion, Forex trading is looked at as something too complicated to understand. You must not think this way. By learning all about Forex trading, you have made the first step toward making some good money. Take the advice given to you in this article and use it to begin your training. This video is presented by Forex Trader Training.info.